Dow Jones, we have again seen it retracing or getting pushed back from 33,400, 500 levels. Multiple times I have told you that for it to trade bullish, it has to pass beyond these levels. At the same time, NASDAQ 100 again got the support at 10,800 levels, which is proving out to be a very, very strong support level. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a rise or is it going to drop? And if yes, which position to take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones will be released before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into US 100 and followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Now look at the hourly charts. Let's start with the hourly charts first. 10,800, yes, very, very strong support level. See multiple candles getting rejected at 10,800 and it is trying to bounce back every time it goes there. Now 10,920, this is another level beyond which more bullishness can be seen. Now, in fact, if it trades about 10,920, you can see this 10,970, 11,020 and 11,100. Only beyond this level there is bullishness which can be expected. However, right now it appears it is trying to trade in this box between 11,200 and 10,800 for this 400 points. NASDAQ 100, US 100 is the only index which is showing extreme signs of weakness in the recent times. Look at the directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking vertically upwards, though the movement is hardly anything. However, it has taken it to overbought levels. But the MACD is willing to cross over again for buy on the hourly charts. The RSI is trading near to the bottom. Now see, it is trading also below the 20-50-100 period moving average. The first resistance is at 10,900, 920, then 950 and 11,000 levels should be seen as the good resistance zone. Let's have a further detailed look on the 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, interestingly, I can see a reversal candle here. And the support at 10,800, very, very strong. The reversal candle, with that as reversal candle, beyond 10,850, you can initiate a buy position. Expect 10,900, 920, 950, 11,000 and beyond that, more bullishness to be seen. Now see, a bottom here at 10,800, the reversal indication indicates that the good times for Nasdaq are nearby. Yes, you can buy at 10,850 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold trying to look for a rise. The MACD is bearish, willing to converge as it is almost at the bottom. Possibly it can show you a rise there. RSI trading near to the bottom. And if you look at the 3-hour, now look at the 3-hour charts and the pattern retracement, sharp drop, then flat move, then retracement, then sharp drop, again the flat bottom. Now see, this is important for us. I am looking forward for a breakout here on NASDAQ 100. Let's see when it gives a breakout, when the days for Tech 100 will return. But yes, 11,100, 200 zone is certainly be a very, very good resistance. So beyond 10,850, certainly you can buy with a stop loss at 10,800 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, looking forward to a rise. The MACD is bearish, looking forward to converge here. The RSI is also near to the bottom, trying to rise a bit. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, so similar is the observation. Taking the support, looking forward to a rise. Lower highs, it is looking forward to a breakout. 11,000, 11,100 levels certainly be a good resistance. Yes, you can buy at 10,850. Expect 10,900, 920, 970, 11,000 as the maximum resistance zone. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD taken a sell entry and willing to converge again. RSI at the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, you can find out that with the support it is trying to reverse previous candles. Higher highs are seen, and if you see this expanding, now the next high here can be at around 11,050, 11,100 levels. In fact, 11,200 levels can be next target if it continues to trade bullish from here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. So MACD is bearish here. It is still not converging. It is still not seen any crossover, and RSI trading at bottom. Considering this, you can buy at 10,850. Expect the resistance is still 11,100 level. Do not consider this bullish. It can reverse any point of time till 11,100 levels. On the downside, you can sell at 10,780 because beyond 10,780 there is going to be further drop which might take it till towards 10,720 and then 10,660, 10,600 levels can also be expected. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 attempted it second time in the nearest time frame where it has tried to breach past 33,400 500 zone. Now I have told several times that this is a very strong resistance zone. Let's see if it tries to breach this. Look at the hourly charts, lower highs, higher lows. Certainly the support there at 33,200 is very strong. Only sell entry I will recommend is below 33,200 where you can expect 33,100 levels as the next target. On the upside, yes, you can buy here at 33,300 levels, expect 350 and 400. The next resistance zone is somewhere here at 350 400. Only and only if it breaks past this, consider that for a bullish breakout. Direction movement moderately bearish, stochastic rising again, MACD trying to cross over for a buy on the hourly charts, and the CRSI here oversold, rise, constant, retracement, low, higher lows, rise, retracement, higher lows, then drop. Up again it is trying to rise here and take it into overbought levels on the hourly charts. This is my expectation. Look at the 2-hour charts. It is trading above the 20-50-100 period moving average. Interestingly, this is showing signs of strength, or this is showing signs of reversal. Here is a reversal indication. On the near term, it is trying to break past this. Yes, if you see it trading above 33,300, possibly you can take a buy for 33,350 first target, 33,450 next target, and then beyond that it is going to certainly fly high. Directional movement bearish, stochastic flat. MACD has taken a bearish cross, trading with little divergence. RSI trading flat. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation with support here at 33,240. It is trying to rise 33,300 the next target, and beyond that certainly more bullishness might take it for 33,350, 400, 450, 500 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic flat. MACD on the other hand has taken a bearish cross, second red candle, possibility that this red green candle may take it for a crossover for a bullish move. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, now if you observe closely on the 4-hour chart, certainly see first is this channel, second is this channel. Now there are lower highs which are also seen. Now wait for, see, 33,200 level certainly for the day is going to be the maximum support level. Only below 33,200 I will consider this for a bearishness. Else there is a possibility of a reversal. 33,400 level certainly be a good resistance zone. 33,400, 350 zone, this is going to be the maximum resistance zone. Beyond this zone it is going to fly high. If it trades below 33,400, buy, remain long for 33,500, 600 levels, and beyond that is also possible. Stochastic comfortable, the MACD is in green, the RSI trading flat with a little bullish buy. Now look at the daily charts. Higher lows are seen, lower highs are seen, consolidation, and see there is a crossover which is seen between the 20 and 50 period moving average, and hence this level at 33,500 is something you should look forward to. If it breaks beyond 33,500, definitely it will show you very strong bullish momentum. Beyond 33,500, the next target is directly at 33,800, 34,000 levels. On the downside, 33,200 first support, 33,100 next, and 33,000 the maximum support zone. Directional movement bearish, stochastic again at the overbought levels. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. The RSI trading. Considering this, see, you can buy at 33,300 and sell at 33,200. On the upside, you need to remain cautious till 33,400, 450. See, this is not a good sign here at the 20 and 50 period crossover. This is not a good sign here. This is trading with divergence, indicating little bearishness. But I will wait for this zone to be breached, that is 33,500 levels, because beyond that certainly more bullish momentum can be expected. So you can buy at 33,300, sell at 200. On the upside till 33,400, 500 levels, you need to remain cautious. On the downside till 33,000, you need to be cautious. Upside and downside breakouts should be considered as a good sign for it for a reversal. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. starting on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.